Alrighty, fellers, we're pulling up to Carl's place in the old beater here. Says he got a little toy. Oh, here it is. Oh boy. Fresh purchase from Carl.
Oh, it's my girlfriend's.
Nobody needs to know that. Look at that, baby. Polaris? What? Yeah.
99 Polaris 550.
Super Sport. Studded track. Dad's not going to be happy about that one.
No, but it's okay. He can deal.
Yeah. I don't know if the old Jag is going to really keep up with them. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
It's not bad at all.
Yep. This suspension looks like it can soak some stuff up.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, we're gonna have to see how high she can soar, buddy. Yeah, what is this, 121 track?
I think so.
Looks like it, yeah. Yeah, dude. Man,
This thing's in great shape.
yeah, I think it'll be a good one. How many miles are on it?
2,000.
That's young as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, now Leo's just got to get one.
I know, Leo's probably just gonna cave and go buy some $600 old 80s one.
That's probably what I'm assuming he's gonna do.
Those things run fine too.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Now we just need snow. Screw this rain.
B-roll.
Yeah, get B-roll.
Open up the video with the
Welcome to the shed.
Welcome to the shed, baby.
We're gonna have a little bit. You think it'll even fire up?
Stuck
Oh
ass
wait.
throttle cable.
Let me boot that out.
Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah. All right. Old Jag has been sitting for a while. See how reliable it is.
We learned our lesson last time. Not bad.
10-gallon fuel tank, dude.
That's massive. It's this.
This is for your heated grips.
I have heated grips in mine too.
Really?
Heated grips, and
See
then
the
this
wires
is
coming
for. This is your heated
That's
thumb. This is your
cool.
heated thumb throttle.
Is that right?
Ah.
Wow.
Yeah, I've got mine on. I got that on mine. Well, my uncle can lick your uncle.
Mine has a 4-barrel.
Let's
Mine is 2-stroke injected 4 barrels.
Look at this baby.
Mine has 4 barrels on it.
Powered by Suzuki.
Powered by Suzuki.
I think it. Oh,
Stinky Carl. Stinky Carl. Do that with this intro.
It's snowmobile season! Look at this! Look at this beauty! You got the studded track. Dad is not gonna be happy.
Straight up.
Dude, we got the ramps.
Well, how do we want to get this out?
The ramps.
Yup.
I think you got it.
Here, you get that furniture dollar wheel.
I see London, I see France, I see Luke's underpants.
No! No! Guys!
Those aren't my underpants! No!
Help me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's up ours. Make sure that the.
Good thinking, Carl. I like where the head's at, man. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Oh shit! Oh, we're boys. It's coming off. It's so.
Oh, man.
Hold on. What's he doing?
What's he doing, dude?
Why? How can you not see it? It's like 4 feet long.
No, because I was standing here watching the sled.
Why would you watch the sled, not the ramp?
Because I thought someone hooked it in right.
All right, Lukey Pookie, what do we got going on here?
We're pulling out the first carburetor.
Wait, first carburetor?
It's got 2, man.
Oh boy.
2 more means more power.
All right, Luke, what's the update now?
We're putting the carbs back in. They're a little gummed up. and I think she's gonna freaking rip.
Love it.
Yep.
Polaris Super Sport 550.
All right, so we're gonna fire it up again just to show you guys that we weren't just bullshitting on ether. Look at that. Right? 2,000 miles on her. First like a kitten. Well, now we know we don't. Now we know your dad is kidding. Oh! Does a high brake light work? Ah! Let's go! Let's go! Alright boys, it's a few days later here. Me and Carl are gonna keep the sleds at the
Back at the HQ.
Back at the HQ. We got a lot of work. We got a lot of work to do, but we'll get her figured out. Get a nice home for them, and I guess we'll
Messy garage is a loved garage.
Yes.
Except this is a little much.
Yep. But we'll get back with you, so you guys don't have to see all the boring stuff. You'll be able to see it when it's cleaned out. So we'll
do it before and after.
Yeah, literally. Alright. Alright guys, about 3 hours later, we have the...
In like 20 minutes.
we have her cleaned out. So I think it'll be a good resting place for the sleds.
See, we're not messy, we're just lazy.
Right.
Uh-oh.
But yeah, we just gotta bring some of this shit inside, and then we're gonna head over and grab the sleds. Sleds are in the trailer. Carl's hurt.
Yeah, pinched a nerve. My bad.
He pinched a nerve.
I got a shit.
Well, this is the last time I think it's for us at the shed for a while.
For a while. Until we have another major problem that we need to live for.
Yep, basically. But.
Or until the spring.
Alright, we're gonna get these bad boys back.
Alright. Cripple Carl.
Alright guys, Cripple Carl. We got the sleds.
What do you want to get my dollies out? Or do you want to just get it fucking off of here? And
Yeah, we can just get her into the grass maybe. Ain't nothing to it. Yep. Alright boys.
We did it.
Huffing and puffing, but we got them in here. Whew. Jack 440 and Polaris 550.
If only these things have wheels.
I know, reverse. But, alright boys. We'll catch you when we see you next. What is up guys? Me and Kenny, we're going to ride sleds today on this very blizzardy day. It's straight up white out. You can't see anything here. But we're gonna try to get there safely. Kenna's piloting us at the wheel, so I don't know. Yeah, you can't even see anything. Dude, you can see more on the camera than you can in the windshield. Like, I can see the outlines of all the trees and stuff. What the heck? We just need to change the exposure in our eyeballs or something. I don't know. But yeah, we'll pick back up with you when we finally get there. Alright, we got Kenny taking a little rip up. Who's Kenny podcast?
More speed. He's almost got it.
Ah.
Oh!
Yep. It's a little bit cold.
Yeah.
You guys all want to hop on this first? All right.
I got you.
You good? I gotta lean. I can't lean.
Alright, we'll walk.
Oh my, go. Woo-hoo. Where's the sled?
What the hell?
Yeah, you want to give it a rip? Leo's pissing. Well, rest in peace to this thing. Give it a rip.
Alright.